Alright, so if you're new to my channel, every once in a while I do a lesson like this where it's just kind of more stripped back. I'm not using the green screen or many graphics or anything. Just trying to show you kind of what I figured out on the guitar, and some of it's not beginner friendly, so just so you know. But yeah, I just wanted to look at this song, just a fun, just like a modern R&B tune, and I really like it. So I just wanted to just go through just some of the chord concepts and what you might be able to do on this song. So for the intro, we're in E flat, and I kind of messed around with playing like a E flat major 7. Looks like I'm a little out of tune here. Oh boy. Alright, so I kind of messed around with playing an E flat. I need some new strings, that's what it is. But I thought E flat sounded better than E flat major 7. So what you can do for that is just set your index finger on 6th fret of the A, and then use your ring finger to bar across the D, the G, and the B in the 8th fret. And that's a really common guitar voicing. It's much more of a rock voicing than it is R&B voicing. But again, I'm not much of an R&B player. I just like to try to play songs to the best of my ability. So what I'm doing is I'm moving between that E flat to a sort of an abbreviated C sharp voicing. So you're just going to set your index finger and bar across the D, the G, and the B in the 6th fret, and you get sort of just an abbreviated C sharp voicing. So the strum pattern, I'm probably not going to be able to explain it very well. Actually, I'm trying to catch that C sharp on an anticipated up strum. So something like that. So you want to try to anticipate that C sharp on an up strum. So you're going from E flat to C sharp back to E flat. So that kind of gets you into the groove. You could do that little on the what is that, 8, 10, 8, D, G. Just trying to catch that on the up strum is the hard part. So let's see. Alright, so looking at the next chord, we got an A flat. So you're going to bar across the 4th fret. And if you can't do a bar, you could probably just do like an abbreviated version. But I'm just going to bar. So bar across 4th fret, middle finger is 5th fret of G, ring finger 6th fret of A, pinky 6th fret of D. So you're going to go from that. Let's see. So you're going to go from that A flat to an F minor 7. And yeah, I was just playing it down here. You could get it down here if you want, or just an F minor is fine. But up here I was playing an F minor 7. So you're going from the A flat, F minor 7, so index finger bars across high E through A in the 8th fret. You're going to set middle finger down 9th fret of B, ring finger 10th fret of D. Alright, and then to round it out, you got those little hits on B flat. So it's like the A flat, but on the 6th fret, index fingers on 6th fret. Bar across high E through low E, middle finger 7th fret of G, ring finger, what is that? 8th fret of A, pinky 8th fret of D. Alright. So let's hear all that in context. Back to that. Alright, so let me see that one more time. Ooh, you know, on that part I kind of like it. So now I kind of like how the major 7s are sounding in there. So maybe you could switch to major 7s for this part. Yeah, I don't know. Sorry to make it confusing. So you could be like A flat major 7. So index finger 4th fret of E, middle finger 4th fret of B, ring finger 5th fret of D, pinky 5th fret of G. And you just mute out, if you can, the A and the high E, maybe with the fat part of your index finger. Just kind of mute those out. So you got... And then, again, sorry, I need to get some new strings on my guitar. It sounds horrible. That sounds so out of tune. Ugh. Yeah, I just need to get some new strings. It's A. I don't know. Nothing's gonna help that. Alright. So yeah. So here we got. E flat major 7 to C7. So that walk up, oh, and I don't know if I went over this, but down here you're just playing an F minor, so you bar across high E through low E in the 1st fret, ring finger 3rd fret of A, pinky 3rd fret of D. Alright, so you got... Alright, again, sorry that's out of tune. So we got the E flat major 7 here, so what I'm doing for that is index 6th fret of A, ring finger 8th fret of D, middle finger 7th fret of G, pinky 8th fret of B. Alright, so you got... Then it does this walk up from the F minor. So what that is, we've got some walk-up chords. I call them walk-up chords or slash chords. So we got that F minor. Then we're going to go to an E flat over G. So we're making a C shape and barring across the 3rd fret. So you bar across the 3rd fret and you make a C chord. Middle finger from your index finger 1st fret of B, ring finger 2nd fret of D, ring finger 3rd fret of A. So that's just a walk-up chord. So you got to the A flat, we went over that one. Then we're going to do that walk-up chord again right here. So that's an F over A. So you bar across 5th fret, make a C shape. Then finalizing that little walk up on the B flat, just a B flat chord. And I don't know if I thought B flat major 7 worked well there. See, it's like back and forth. Like some of these chords I like just natural, and some of them I like the major 7. So let's see what we got. C7. Oh yeah, maybe I didn't go over the C7 with you all, so sorry. The C7 is pretty simple. Bar across high E through A in the 3rd fret. Ring finger 5th fret of D, pinky 5th fret of B. So that gives you that C7. All right. There's the walk up. Alright, so that was a lot in there that I just did. So right after that big walk up, B major 7 to F sharp major 7. So B major 7, index finger 7th fret of E, ring finger 8th fret of D, pinky 8th fret of G, middle finger 7th fret of B. Again, mute out the A and high E. Then we're going to go to F major 7, F sharp major 7, index finger 9th fret of A, ring finger 11th fret of D, middle finger 10th fret of G, pinky 11th fret of B. So you're going to go A flat minor, indexed finger bars across 4th fret, ring finger 6th fret of A, pinky 6th fret of D. All right, so let's hear this. Alright, so that goes pretty quickly after that B flat. Then you're back into that verse riff. Alright. Back to this again. I keep screwing that part up. You gotta go to the minor. Okay, so it's just, now it's continuing. It's like an extended chorus. And it's not going to the minor. Oh, no, it just did, right when I said it. Okay, so let's do that part again. Minor again. Back to that. I think it goes to minor here. Minor. Alright, so I know that was a lot, but hopefully it was somewhat helpful for you. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.